Oh, my boy. Jeez, first you got some control arms, not some tension rods. Oh shit, is that a wild Brian?
Yeah, I still got jet lag.
He's got a nice source sticker there, doesn't it?
Damn, my boy, you didn't have to do him like that. Why you had to do him like that, Brian?
I had to come at the IE static Lexus.
Bro, you did not. That's just. Bro, you're an asshole, bro. You're a fucking asshole for doing that.
I'm out of pocket. Somebody need to cap me or else I'm gonna overflow and just fucking.
You drive like that?
I drive like that. You drive?
How was it?
Fire.
Alright, guys. We're just chilling right now, but you already know tomorrow me and Leo are gonna get it.
What time you coming to my house?
I'm gonna try to be over by 8.
Try.
Try.
So
I'm
that
gonna
means 8 in real time, but in your time is 9 or 10.
You know what? Okay.
Well, if you fall asleep again, if I don't call you.
You know what, Leo? I'm gonna try by 9 the latest. The latest. 9.
Right.
9 the latest, because that'll give us all day to work on the Civic. What?
You're an asshole. Why are you lying to him in his face?
Well, oh, you don't think I'm gonna do it? I'm gonna send a message in the group chat tomorrow with the timestamp saying 9 o'clock.
And I'll send one saying, good morning.
What the fuck? Is that Jesus? Jesus? Yo, what is up, guys? Back with another video with my boy Leo. We've already been putting in a few hours of work, so we're prepping the Civic off camera and now it's pretty much ready. We did some last minute welds. So we did that one for the heater hoses, and then we just did some other random holes that needed to be done, and then we took off that shit. And now we're gonna degrease it before we start sanding the firewall, because we want to primer it by today. So there's hella dirt and grime everywhere, so we're gonna degrease the hell out of the engine bay, wash all that down, and start sanding. Yeah, and also we want to take off that one right there, but in order to take that off, we might have to take off this first. So I don't know, we might finesse it later just to save that work, but I don't know, we're gonna save that for last. For right now, we're just gonna get this thing clean. We started sanding a lot of it down so we can start painting it. So I started sanding down a lot of the firewall, but look at this shit, guys. I have no more wire left, so I'm about to replace that right now. And then Leo started laying down some filler right here, so yep, guys, it's coming together. Just gotta keep sanding a little bit more, get the rest of the bay looking like this, and we should be good. Alright, so I'm gonna start applying some body filler on these welds and start making this bay look pretty. Tired of this ugly ass shit. Whew. Alright, so start laying some filler on this side. Just gonna wait for that to dry. Then I can start sanding it down. This shit's already looking pretty good right here. Guys, we've been putting in work. We're fucking filthy. So yeah, we need more materials. That's legit our last strip of sandpaper. So I'm gonna go buy more sandpaper. I'm gonna buy some primer. I'm gonna buy another squeegee because this one's way too big. I'm gonna buy a smaller one. It's kind of a bitch to get like in the corners and stuff. It's just way too big. So I'm gonna buy another squeegee, sandpaper, and some primer, and whatever else I think I need. But yeah, guys, it's coming along. It's honestly just a lot of sanding. It's not that hard at all. Like, anybody can do this shit. It's just time consuming as fuck. But yeah, so I'll be right back. Leo's gonna keep at it. Hey bro, you want another drink?
Yeah, please.
What you want?
Anything.
Well, I'm gonna go Home Depot. Oh, you want that Coke? That fucking bottle one?
Oh yeah, the glass one? Yeah.
I got you. Whew. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna be right back. It's about almost 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna try to hurry up so we can finish this thing because I want to primer it already. We're probably not gonna primer it today, honestly, because that filler just takes forever. Sanding all that shit. Just look at my hands, guys. You just, whatever. It's gonna be sick. The bag is secured. Time to go back to Leo's. Alright, my boy's about to lay the first primer on this shit, so we're finally gonna start seeing how nice this is gonna look. So yeah, my boy wants to paint it already. It's nice and smooth and flat right there, so it's gonna look so good, guys.
Come on, Rosolian.
Hey bro, I'm on a budget here. Should be holes right there, guys, and now it's just that, so that's gonna pretty much give you an idea.
You forgot filling that hole.
Is that really one that we forgot?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna keep at it over here. I'm almost done, but I'm gonna have to add some more filler after I'm done sanding this. But this is motivation, guys. I want to see the rest of this painted, because that looks good. That looks way better than this shit, so yep. Oh, yep.
What does that look?
The next time, I'm not gonna wear black pants. Damn, I fucked my shoes up too.
Yeah, look at me.
Damn. Next time, don't wear a black shirt. Woo, guys, we are beat. We've probably been at it for like a good 7 hours. Yeah, we started like 12-ish. It's 7 already. Damn, I'm ready to eat. You ready to eat?
Hell yeah.
I'm fucking starving, man. Fuck this, babe. But we got a lot of progress, guys. And guys, we're not lagging. We're not bullshitting when we do this. We're genuinely working. It's just fucking crazy how long this shit takes, because even after primering it, like, it shows you where it's like messed up, so we still gotta go over and fix that. But it's just tedious. That's all it is. It's just tedious. But yeah, so we started primering that. We got body fill over there. Put body fill over here. That's right there. It's pretty much nice and flat. Still gotta finish up that. Put a little bit of primer right there. And then start putting body filler on this side. So it's coming along. And then I need to buy another wire wheel, get the rest of that blue off. But almost so close. It's definitely coming along. I like that we started primering it just a little bit, so I mean, it's starting to look like a shaved bay now. Now you can actually, it doesn't look as bad. I just want it to all be painted, man. So close. And I forgot to show you guys, but I don't know if you remember these like little bracket things. I forgot where they were. There was like 2 of them somewhere right here, but we took those off. So that looks a lot better as well. We're probably still gonna take off that one and that one in the next video for sure. Alright, we're gonna give her one final hose down before we throw her back in and her home. But we're gonna continue working on her Thursday. So Thursday, all the filler should be hopefully done, because I mean we barely started doing the filler like only a few hours ago, and we got a pretty good amount done. So yeah, so I got to put filler on those roads over there, but slowly but surely. Oh. Alright guys, so right now we're taking this out. We gotta start gutting the dashboard anyway, so we saw this right here in the open. We're like, hey, fuck it, just take it out. So that's just for the airbag. That's what causes it to go boom. So yeah, guys, our plan with the dashboard is we're making a flat floating dashboard. So I don't know if you guys have heard that term before, but basically we're gonna be cutting those off. And we might be doing a little bit cutting on the glove box too, but yeah, it's basically gonna look like a floating dash. So we're gonna delete that shit. Cut some weight from this too. Doesn't matter how tight it is, Leo will find a way, ladies. He's gonna pry his way in there, look at that. Oh, yeah.
There's probably some easier way, but why not go all out?
That has been on there since '99. Oh, yeah. That should look like a bomb, dude.
It is a bomb.
Oh, yeah, yeah, technically it is.
I mean, you could put like a battery to it and it'll boom.
You're not down?
You could put a tire over it or something. You could sit on it. And if you want, I'll hook it up to the battery.
Let's do a prank on someone.
Oh, let's put it under that 2000 seat and have the top down and fucking inject those Ceto and fucking put on a switch.
My seat gonna blow up. Alright, let's see how heavy this is. Oh shit. Damn guys, this is low key like a good, I would say this is like a good,
Like 15?
yeah, honestly, it's a good 15 at least.
Yeah.
That's
Damn.
crazy. A good 15 pounds just right there. Alright, what are you doing now?
Gotta take these out.
Oh, the ducks?
Yeah, take all that out.
It's a lot of flatheads. I mean, not flatheads, a lot of Phillips.
Well, that's what I grabbed this. I was like, fuck, I'm not gonna use that.
Yeah, that's way too many screws, dude. I don't know if any of you guys need one of these, but if you're local to me, just shoot me whatever, or else I'm gonna throw this away. If you guys, honestly, just someone hit me up. I'm gonna just throw it away. I don't know if any of you guys need this shit, but let me know.
I don't know if you need to take this screw out, but I'm gonna take it out. Now you're staying.
Oh,
God damn, so many fucking screws.
honestly, dude, even in there.
Fucking Honda overbuilt this. When they overbuilt them, they overbuilt this.
Oh, yep.
I probably didn't have to take all those off.
Honestly, probably not.
Here, wanna hold these?
Damn! Damn! Hey, if someone can guess how much this is in the comments, I'll love you forever. Oh, it's another piece out. Bro, this is kind of unnecessary.
I took more than I was supposed to.
It's like at least 20 screws. More.
I can't get to that screw, so screw it, no?
Hold it up. Oh.
Ow, fuck. There we go.
Damn, there's nothing in this dash anymore.
Hand me those screws.
Got you, fam. Alright guys, so we're starving. We're gonna hurry up and clean up. We got a lot of shit to pick up, so we're gonna hurry up and just try to pick up everything, put the Civic back in, and go eat because we're starving. You say in and out, Leo? Woo, we're gonna get some in and out, so yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Guys, we're trying to hurry up and finish this already. We want to throw in the K series as much as you guys want to see the K series in here already, so we're trying. So by this week, guys, I'm telling you, this bay is gonna be done. I'm telling you. We got Thursday. That's Leo's next day off, so we got all day Thursday as well to work on this shit. So.
Are you coming here at 8 in the morning, or are you coming here at 11?
So Leo's saying that because this morning I told him I was gonna be here at 8, and I got here at like 10:30. So yeah, if I can get here Thursday at 8 o'clock or even 9, That'll be more than enough time. I know today's vlog was kind of short. We didn't really record that much. I think, yeah, honestly this vlog is gonna be really short, but hope you guys enjoy nonetheless. We're gonna try to get more vlogs out for you guys this week. I know we didn't upload shit last week. Sorry about that, but yeah, this week we're gonna have more vlogs for you guys. So stick around for that and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys can see when the case swap is in there. And we'll see you guys Thursday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Be writing my wrongs when I be writing these songs. I'm sacrificing it all. The lonely nights are my motives. Put a price on your